Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Citra Nugrahini Putri Widodo from 11 Maret University, Indonesia. It is a great pleasure for me to presenting my paper today in this conference. Strengthening employee performance can be achieved with bureaucratic reform. Bureaucratic reform in this globalization era is associated with the utilization of the internet, communication, and technology or ICT in government. Currently, the government has begun to implement reform in the field of professional bureaucracy and high integrity as a public servant. This is through the concept of e-governments. One of the implementation of e-governments implemented by Surakarta City government is in terms of performance supervision and determination of the amount of civil servant performance money. This is done through the implementation of e-performance. One institution of the Surakarta City government that has implemented e-performance is Surakarta Regional Public Hospital. Surakarta Regional Public Hospital has implemented e-performance since the beginning of 2019, but there has been no research examining the extent of the e-performance system implementation in Surakarta Regional Public Hospital. In reality, there is problem regarding e-performance implementation in Surakarta Regional Public Hospital. Surakarta Regional Public Hospital faced problem, namely BKPPD Surakarta City only recognize the working hours of civil servants who working morning shift 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. and full shift. Civil servants who working middle shift are not recognized by BKPPD Surakarta City. This causes the percentage of civil servant e-performance to decrease and causes additional income or e-performance money for civil servants to decrease. They complain about this because they experience the same workload as civil servants who work morning shift 7 a.m. to 2 p.m. and full shift. What is more, the workload of civil servant in Surakarta Regional Public Hospital increased due to the COVID-19 pandemic. It is necessary to improve the implementation of e-performance in Surakarta Regional Public Hospital so that the strengthening of the performance of civil servants can be achieved. This article discussed two things. One, does bureaucratic reform through e-performance encourage the strengthening of civil servant performance in Surakarta Regional Public Hospital? And two, what strategies are carried out so civil servant performance in Surakarta Regional Public Hospital is recognized according to the criteria of e-performance in bureaucratic reform. Bureaucratic reform in the implementation of government activities and public service are direct at creating professional and accountable bureaucratic performance. Professional and high-integrity bureaucratic reform as a public servant have been carried out by the government through the concept of e-government. This makes public be able to monitor the government's performance through transparent information. Based on research conducted by Suleymanova, Zhu, Brewer, and Goldsmith, can be concluded that the increasing quality of public service through bureaucratic reform can strengthen the transparency and accountability of government agencies. E-performance is a performance control system that includes web-based computer program to facilitate the preparation of individual activity and performance indicators as well as data collection process for performance indicator. Implementation of civil servant research methods is a scientific way to get the data with the certain objective and utility. This research uses exploratory research method through a qualitative approach. This research took place in Surakarta Regional Public Hospital. The data used in based on opinion from some informants shown that actually e-performance bring benefit for civil servant in Surakarta Regional Public Hospital. Benefits regarding the measure performance of each civil servant, clarity of work targets, improving discipline and well-being of civil servant. On the other hand, there are problems in the implementation of e-performance, namely civil servant working with the shift not recognized by BKPPD Surakarta City. Surakarta Regional Public Hospital has been working to solve this problem through communication with BKPPD Surakarta City. However, there has been no response from BKPPD Surakarta City. Based on the result of the research and discussion presented, the following conclusion can be drawn. 1. Bureaucratic reform through e-performance has not encouraged the strengthening of civil servant performance in Surakarta Regional Public Hospital. In fact, the benefits of e-performance have been felt by civil servants in Surakarta Regional Public Hospital. On the other hand, there are problems that must be solved first, namely civil servants working middle shift are not recognized by BKPPD Surakarta City. 2. The strategy carried out so that the performance of civil servant in Surakarta Regional Public Hospital is recognized according to the criteria of e-performance is by work schedule revision of civil servants contained in the system.